Welcome to our channel. Starting a business in California is an exciting venture, and forming an LLC, Limited Liability Company, is a great way to protect your personal assets while growing your business. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps of registering an LLC in California. Choose your LLC name. The first step is to select a name for your LLC. The name must be unique and follow California's rules, which include: the name must end with LLC or Limited Liability Company. It must not conflict with the names of other registered businesses in California. You can check for name availability on the California Secretary of State's website. Designate a registered agent. California requires every LLC to have a registered agent. This individual or company will receive legal documents and official communications on behalf of your business. You can hire a professional registered agent or serve as your own as long as you have a physical address in California. File the Articles of Organization. To officially create your LLC, you need to file the Articles of Organization with the California Secretary of State. This can be done online, by mail, or in person. The filing fee is $70. Create an operating agreement. While California doesn't require LLCs to have an operating agreement, it is highly recommended. This document outlines the ownership structure, responsibilities, and operating procedures of your LLC. Obtain an EIN. An EIN, Employer Identification Number, is essential for tax purposes. It's free to apply for an EIN through the IRS website, and it's necessary for hiring employees, opening a business bank account, and filing taxes. Once you've completed these steps, your LLC will be registered, and you can begin running your business legally in California. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on LLCs and business management.